Vroom, vroom, vroom.
Baby truck's here.
With veggie blocks from far and near, let's stack them high and sing along with ABCs and numbers strong. A is for apple, red and round. B is for broccoli, green and sound. C is for carrot, orange and tall. D is for drumstick, leafy, loves them all. E is for eggplant, purple, bright. F is for fig, such a yummy sight.
Count the blocks and sing with me. Veggies and letters ABC. 1, 2, 3, stack them high.
Baby truck's learning, oh my, oh my.
G is for garlic.
Tiny and white,
H is for honeydew.
sweet delight.
I is for iceberg.
Crispy, cool,
J is for jalapeno.
spicy fuel. K is for kale, green and strong. L is for lemon.
Zingy song.
M is for mushroom, round and small. Baby truck stacks them all.
Count the blocks and sing with me.
Veggies and letters ABC.
4, 5, 6, let's go higher. Veggie tower getting brighter.
7, 8, 9, and 10. Baby truck starts all over again. The veggies laugh, the letters cheer. Learning's fun when friends are near.
N for nutmeg. O for olive.
P for pea pod, such a vibe.
Q for quinoa. R for radish.
S for spinach.
Tasty dish. T for tomato.
U for yam.
V for veggie.
Hooray for them. W for watermelon. X for extra sweet. Y for yam bean.
Z zucchini treat. Count the blocks and sing with glee. Veggies and lettuce.